How many times you've sat in a meeting listening to the virtues and values of an assessment is not a good use of your time or your students' time. Come on, let's be honest, it's at least once a year, maybe more. There are two types of value judgments that you can make fairly easily to gauge the value of an assessment. The first being the assessment as a whole, and then the items used on the measure. One is tied to the purpose of the assessment, the other is the actual tool. Let's look at the first part, which is the purpose. Is this assessment measuring important learning for the team and for your classroom? Does it match the instructional focus that's going on in the classrooms? If the answer is yes to this, then it has some value. Value is based on the importance of the content measured. Is the content worth measuring? Does it help the team make decisions about future instruction and learning? Is this the right kind of thinking for our students? Is this what they need to show at this point of time? Is the mix of complexity and that complex thinking right for your students at this time, and will it be of value to you? So if the purpose is good, what about the tool? Are the items serving the purpose of the test? Is the content, the type of items required, and the complexity and difficulty all appropriate at this time? Do the incorrect answers or distractors tell you something about your students? Do they help you learn and plan for your students in the future? Now, is the item mix fair? Is this the right time to measure these items? If all these answers are yes and you're comfortable with it, then this assessment probably has value for you. Because in the end, the value of your data will be based on the content and quality of your assessment.